Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch football match live, mobile and computer legally. So I will show you two methods to watch football match live. So start with method 1. From your homepage, you can simply open up your Google and search for Sky Sports. Here, if you scroll a bit, you will find here this football. You can open it, and on the right upper side, it will show you this three lines. Click here. And here, firstly, you have to select the sport that you want to watch live. I'm selecting here football, and then simply scroll down until you find this live on Sky here. You can see that it's showing me upcoming match, like a team that's playing at that moment. So if I want to watch live this match, simply I'll click on that and it will open up like this. Then if you scroll a bit, you will find here Get Sky Sport. Click on that and it will take you to this page again. Click on this Sky Sport, and at last it will show you this upgrade now option. You can simply upgrade it to watch football match live. This was the first method to cross. Second method, from your homepage, open up your Google and search for ESPN. Search it on the left upper side. You will find here these three lines. Click here and select your sport that you want to watch live, and if you scroll a bit, you will find your upcoming match. You have to simply repeat the first step to watch football match live on the second method. Also, these were the two reliable websites where you can watch football match live in mobile and computer legally. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.